pushed the button. She pushed the button with her foot. Put it out in the middle of the floor. She's gonna try to go under that chair.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Woohoo!
Hop on there, Jake. Hop on there, Jake.
You're next. Wanna take a ride in the rainbow? Take a ride in the rainbow? Oh, this will be fun. Look there. Where is that? Here we go. Here we go. Take a ride. Not so much.